All right, good morning, Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of the Arctic Fox 32 5M fifth wheel. What an amazing unit this is. It's Northwood built right here in the Northwest. So it's a great product, locally built and manufactured by a very high quality company. First thing you're going to notice is, of course, this large fiberglass front cap with LED lighting on both sides of the cap. You've got push buttons right here for these LED lights. So you've got two LED lights here to assist you if you're hooking up at night or if you just need some extra light in front of the trailer. At the nighttime, it's really nice and convenient. You've got the MORride front hitch pin assembly, which is a great unit, upgraded unit. The front compartment is truly generator ready. A lot of units out there will say they're generator ready, but they're not. This is actually got the power all set up for you, the switches inside already, so it's all set to go. Nice diamond plate front cap to protect the front of the trailer. Nice thick baggage doors with metal catches. 10-gallon propane tanks, that's two of them. Again, 5 and 7 are the most common in the industry. You've got two 10s here. And look at the size of this front compartment. Huge front compartment, and they do a great job. It's carpeted, but in addition to that, you've also got easy access to your underbelly, which is heated with tank heaters. Stepping into the coach, we've got the nice MORride step system, large grab handle coming in. First thing you'll notice when you walk into the coach, all of your controls are very conveniently located, all in one spot right as you walk in. So you can bump out those slide outs, turn on your lights, your monitor panel, everything is right here. Your heat and air conditioning controls, as well as your solar panel charge controller. Walking in towards the back of the coach, we've got a nice large rear window, very large rear window. Two side windows that both open to allow air to circulate through the coach. A fantastic fan, wood chairs, all wood chairs. A nice table, slide out table with storage underneath. Lots of cabinets all the way around the coach. Thomas Paine furniture, and those are electric and heated with massage. Extra large capacity Northwood refrigerator. So you've got a 4-door refrigerator, nice deep freezer, microwave convection oven, 3-range burner with a nice large oven. And you're going to notice you've got 4 drawers there. You've got another bank of 4 drawers here with an additional pull-out drawer underneath the refrigerator, which works great for saucepans and things of that nature. Solid surface countertops, nice power outlet here. It's also got USB ports so you can let your phone charge while you're there. Huge double bowl sink. So a lot of their double bowl sinks are on the smaller size. You've got 2, so you can put the large pot here. Of course, you've got the nice pull-down residential faucet. Easy trash access. A lot of people say, well, where do I put my trash can in a fifth wheel? Well, right here, folks. Makes it nice and convenient. With additional cabinet space on the other side. Again, you've got another fantastic fan with your controllers right there. Solid surface wood doors. Again, solid surface countertops. 1-piece shower with lots of room for toiletry and towels and so forth. King size bed. Cedar closet. Another fantastic fan. And this unit is set up with 50 amps, so you could add another air conditioner if you so desire. The power's already there. Spot for a television. 6 drawers for your dresser drawers set up. A nice shoe bench. And all of the windows in this coach, folks, are double pane. So it is set up for real winter and summer camping. Coming to the outside, we've got a little more storage space right here. You've got a nice wheel and tire setup on this coach. The skirting is really nicely done. It wraps all the way underneath and is finished underneath. It's not a rough edge. Solid fiberglass back cap with a ladder, and yes, that is a walk-on roof with top grade plywood on the top and on the flooring inside the coach. Power outlet there, and there's your docking station. Everything inside, you've got your flush system, your water heater bypass and water system bypass for the winter. You've got your battery disconnect here, outdoor shower, everything conveniently located. All of your controls are here for your automatic leveling system. So you do have an automatic electrical leveling system on this coach. And again, I point out how thick the baggage doors are, well insulated. Solar ready, as I pointed out earlier, you've already got a solar panel up on the roof with the controller, but you can also add an additional portable solar panel if you'd like. It's set up for your batteries. Those are pull-out trays, nice and convenient for servicing and replacing the batteries. Again, these coaches are top grade stuff, folks, top quality, Northwood product made here in the Northwest. If you have any questions, please contact me directly at Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com or 541-968-6010. Thank you and have a great day.